Alright, what's going on YouTube? We promised some fun, cool videos we were going to do. We're going to try and crank these out maybe once a week or so, but it's going to be a segment called Can You Coat It? So we're just going to coat some really random items, and to start with, we're going to start with a golf club and a golf ball. We've already done the golf ball, and my camera keeps messing up and dying on me, so I wasn't able to show you that, but we put it in our little convention, our household oven, heated up to about 200 degrees, and then just sprayed some powder on it, and it's stuck amazing. These are just some other brackets and stuff, or pieces for a sign that we're doing for a customer. And now we're going to coat a golf club head, and then we'll run them. The golf ball we're going to coat at a really low temperature, just so that we don't melt the thing, because it will melt. The golf club will run at the real temp, or at the 400 degrees. But let's see how the powder sticks. Really nice. So we're just going to put a light coating on it, and I've got it all taped off, as you can see. So we'll run those through the oven, and then pull them out. We'll run another video for you, and I hope to do a video hitting that golf ball with that club, and we'll just kind of see how the powder holds up. So check back with us for an update on Can You Coat It with the golf ball and the golf club head. And hopefully, if you guys have any comments on stuff you'd like to see done, leave them below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of these weird videos of us coating random stuff, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.